New around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out some stunning bob haircuts and just overall bold hair coloring ideas. The first one features this gorgeous rainbow tone in the front. That bob was absolutely gorgeous. And then we move into more of another dramatic kind of rainbowy color. So she has mid-length hair, and it looks like the stylist is doing blonde, orange, pink with this one, purple. Very vivid rainbow colored hair. Love the way that that turned out. That color is absolutely gorgeous. Then we move into a haircut transformation. So it looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. This stylist does a ton of bob haircuts. Like, this is like pretty much what he is known for. And then he does add a few highlights to this as well. It looks like they're brown highlights. Just kind of lighten the hair a little bit with the highlights. Gorgeous bob haircuts. Love the way that that turned out. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. So she looks like she's also going with a more traditional kind of neck length style bob. Gorgeous. Bob came to about jaw length, and she does have highlights in this as well. She also got slight wave and center parts. And then moving up right along. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. Her ends look like they are fried with color. So I'm guessing that she's going to be getting a cut and color as well. So he starts cutting in the back. Her hair looks so much healthier already. So she ends up getting a bob. And then there is the final results with the color. Oh, she got peekaboo pink on the side and the back. Oh, that is so pretty. I love it. What a major transformation, man. That is such gorgeous highlights there. Beautiful color work. Nice bob haircut. Such a playful, fun look. So the stylist is just showing her different ways that you can kind of show off that color. Love it. All right, so next up, looks like someone's going with another bob. She's like, yeah, I want it short, like short. So he cuts the hair to about shoulder length. That is a lot of hair she's cutting off too. So he cleans up the lines. So she gets a bob, kind of a lob really, because it is around shoulder length. And then she does have the middle part with that one as well. So she gets a slight wave. Ooh, I love that top. Very cute. So next up, for those who like a little bit more of a dramatic hair color, we see this gorgeous blue with the pop of rainbow sprinkled in. This is an absolutely gorgeous hair shade. Kind of reminds me of like unicorn-esque style hair. Very pretty, very vibrant. Oh, I love the money piece highlight with the pop of blue. That is so pretty. Then we see this classic wavy blob. So heading into our next transformation, looks like he's doing a bob haircut with this one. So she does do like fringe bangs in the front, curtain style bangs. Very pretty. Then we move into another color transformation. And it looks like she's gonna add some extensions. Yes, ladies, if your hair is not long and you want the long hair, get the extensions. Such a great dramatic switch up. So she starts off with a shoulder length bob. I don't know, she looks like she might be getting ready to do some color. Let's see. Yep. Question is, what color is she gonna get? Oh, she added pops of pink. Oh, she did like pink highlights. This is gorgeous. I love it so much. I love the peekaboo highlights and the peekaboo color. It just looks so fun and just gorgeous. I wish she would do like a full sprint around. That would have been cool. Yes. Love this bob transformation. So cute. And next we see a pixie haircut. So I did do a video on older women with the pixies and the bobs. If you guys want me to do another video like that, please let me know in the comments. And here we see another gorgeous pixie cut. This one is of a blonde. And she's flat ironing the hair, styling it. Her hair is very thick and full. Gorgeous. And then next up, we see another transformation. So she started off with the mid-length hair. And the stylist does trim the hair. Looks like he's doing a lob or just like a mid-length haircut. Oh, she got color too. So she went blonde. Blondes have more fun. I love it when I rock blonde. You do, it's true what they say, blondes do have more fun. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and I will see you in the next one.